This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, welcome to the next session on SAP ODATA. In the last few classes, we have discussed about what exactly the ODATA. ODATA, with the ODATA, we can expose the data over the internet or intranet. That we call it an ODATA. And there are different kind of ODATAs which we have. So if you want to implement an ODATA, and so we are going to the SEGW transaction code. So in the SEGW, wherever you create an OData service in the SEGW, and uh, it is going to provide a model view, and also it is going to give a runtime artifacts and service maintenance. And whenever you generate the OData service, it is going to create four services. Okay, two two model provider classes, two data provider classes, one service and one model. And so if you want to maintain the OData service, we have to go to the slash and iwfnd slash maint service. The errors, if you want to see, slash iwfnd slash error underscore log. And so the service which we are going to use as an integrations between the UI system to your SAP system, and also the deployments in OData service which we have is two types of deployments. One is the uh, embedded scenario. The second one is the central hub scenario. And and so how you can execute or how you can test the OData services. So if you want to test the OData services, when we are going to use what uh, gateway client, one is GW underscore client, and we can test from the browser and we can test from the postman. And now if you want to test from the browser, you need to know how to prepare the URI. And to prepare a URI, and there is a formula. So the formula is http colon slash slash the host name and colon and port. Then you need to provide the SICF service path. Okay, SAP OPU and SAP and OData and your service name. Then you can get the service document, and you can get the metadata by using dollar metadata, and you can get the get entities. So if you want to read multiple records, we use a get entity set. And if you want to read single record, we use a get entity type get entity method, guys. So that's what we have seen in the last few classes. And also if you want to, when it is in a single record, we must inject in a key. So the key should be there inside the this case. And maybe now we can take the service. Actually my service is having some errors, so I'm going to take the Rakesh service. So this is the Rakesh service, and here you can see there are multiple fields and which we have injected, and it is working fine in the last class. That's what we have seen maybe. And I go to this service and enter the service name over here, guys, and enter. Oh sorry, shut. Okay, we need to provide the this and enter. I hope the SMCS maybe which is deactivated, it seems SMICM. And go to the go to service and see every day. I think some program is running is background. So change the service and make this to the 8000. That's it. And okay, and okay, and activate the service. You need to activate it. And now I can go to the here and enter. See, it is asking SAP user and welcome 1 2 3 4 and enter. And you can see the records. And invalid key predicate. So last time it is working. Did you change any keys? Huh? Uh, that's the problem. So he has added one more key field, SE, GW, and entity types, OCA. So click on properties and you can see the BUZEI, guys. Maybe I can take BUZE, maybe better inject manually. BULNR and comma uh, BUZEI, and which is equal to the okay comma BUZEI, and which is equal to the 001, and that's it. Control S. Enter. What is the problem here? Oh, generate your OData service. Something is going wrong. So see, just I have added, that's it. This is the one, right, which we have added, and enter malformed URI literal syntax. Huh? Maybe I will take it out. This is a key field, okay, and generate. I think okay, maybe we need to load the metadata, guys. Not the, this is not a problem, it seems. Okay, I will try to work out with the metadata. So we'll clear the cache and we'll load the metadata. We'll see. Maybe this should not be any problem. And how you can do? Go to the maintain service and search. So search with the service customer OCD. Okay, see customer OCD, and first the load metadata. Metadata loaded successfully, and clean up model cache F4, and services customer G star CUST star F4. Okay, and customer model uh, first one, and execute, and that's it. And maybe again do the same thing. Okay, maybe I can do settings. So if I take from the word, I think, is it giving any problems here? So see, now you can see the, is there any problems here now? HTTP and enter, and SAP user welcome 1 2 3 4. What's the problem? SEGW runtime artifacts, DPC extension. uh, so get entity and read table booker. Huh? Yeah, someone is changing. See, even there are some fields. Okay, you added BUJDA. Okay, but for the sorry, Bucharest, Kunar, GJAHR, BELNR, BEZUI. Who added this code? BUZUI. How many fields? Okay. Who did this create entity set? Create entity. Okay, maybe we'll try one more time. So it's not taking, see, something it is going here. See, BELNR, it is giving some problem actually. Here you can see some symbols, something is coming, guys. So this might be the problem. Here also you can see there are some things which are giving. Maybe go here. BELNR 14. It's not taking the values properly, guys. So what we can do is we will remove this once. Okay. We'll take this in the notepad, not in the word, guys. Control A, Control C. Some URI problem which is coming. Notepad, Control V. See. Okay. Bucharest, GJAHR. Okay. BELNR. Okay. 1413. Okay. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Comma BUZEI, which is equal to 001, right? And then dollar format equal to JSON and Control A, Control C, Control V and enter. Ah, it is triggered, guys. See, when you take from the word, maybe it is giving some problems, guys. So please make them in the notepad, not in the word. So from first day we are facing same problem. We should not do in the word or PPT. Take the URL into the word, sorry, notepad, then you do the editing, guys. So nothing that's a problem with the format. That's it. See, guys, in the IT underscore key tab, see we have sent 5 key fields: Bucharest and Kunar and GJHR, BELNR and BUZE. So there is no limitation on the key fields, guys. That's what we thought. But so you can mention whatever the fields which you want in the key fields. And so this is the internal table which is having all the key fields and the data. And field by field, you need to read the data from the internal table. And you need to save the data in the local variables. So we are saving the local variables, the data. and LV underscore Bukaras and LV underscore Kunar and LV underscore GJHR, NV underscore BELNR and LV underscore BUZDVI, and we are fetching the data. And yeah, Kunar, GJHR, Bukaras. See, we are fetching the record, single record, and you can see the record in the LS underscore BSID. It fetches only the single record, guys. It fetches only the single record, and see, this is a DR07 SHKZGS, and even I need to add amount also, guys, because the amount is also required. So execute, and it reads only the single record, guys. It reads only the single record. Maybe I can go to the model now. We can add the fields whatever you want. Maybe I go to the model, come back and add the field for the amount also, guys. And amount, which is a field, amount, maybe WAERS. Here I will add an amount, guys. Maybe go to the properties and change, and here I will insert an amount. Amount is DMBTR. DMBTR. So what is the precision which we have taken, guys? Which is an currency. Currency is an decimal. And so what we have taken here, Rakesh, I forgot. Huh? I think 13 and 2. That's it, right? So you should not put a maximum on the decimal side. Put how many decimals, how many values we need to have, and 2 decimals which we need to know, do, and save. And once you add anything, guys, you have to regenerate, because we have added the field name is not part of the above structure. Maybe I can put the field name, which is a DMBTR. Okay, save and generate. And also, guys, sorry, I should put metadata. So it can be creatable, updatable, and we do not sort amount, guys. It can be nullable. We don't filter actually, and amount we don't do any filters. Again, regenerate, and after you regenerate, okay, I have regenerated the code, and maybe I add this field in the select as well. Maybe go to the DPC extension and go to the DPC extension and go to the field. Okay, get entity and do the selection, guys. So maybe you can select here. We can select it. Okay, DMBTR. DMBTR. Okay, this is the select which we are going to get it, and pretty printer and activate and activate. Even this field should be added in the get entity set as well. See, here also the field is not there, and I'm going to make this field in the entity set as well. It's an output, guys. So I need to have this field in the get entity set and execute. So both the structures I need to have this field. And maybe now we can load metadata, because I have added a new field. Maybe I can load the metadata. Okay, now we can trigger the service again and trigger the service again. And will you get the new field? Yeah, it is trigger the breakpoint, and maybe I don't want to see. I'll come to here and F8 and F5 and LSBSID, and you can see the DMBTR is 1000, guys. This is the open amount which we have fetching from the database, and it is read in a single record. Okay, this is a single record reading with multiple fields, guys. Very, very important. Okay, this struggles almost 3 classes for us, right? So now let's take an example. I need to get multiple records again. Maybe I go to the multiple records. So if you want to get multiple records, what we need to do? Entity set, right? So maybe you take the multiple records. Okay, not this one. Okay, this is changed. And entity set. Maybe I delete from here. Okay, maybe I don't want the key, because I need multiple records, right? I don't want the key. What is the key? Okay, delete 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 the key and slash we need to use slash and take this multiple entities, maybe slash is not required. Yeah, enter. See, it is giving the amount. Where is the amount? Amount is not coming here. Huh? See why the, yeah, that's fine. So the amount should come actually. Okay, so it's not coming, guys. So see here. So DMBTR activate, and I put on a breakpoint and come back, activate the class, come back. Maybe we'll do the regeneration. Okay, maybe you refresh. See, guys, sometimes it doesn't take. Refresh the transaction as well. Okay, G star CUST star. Okay, and select this and load metadata. Yes, metadata is loaded. Maybe now I can trigger once again and once again. Yeah, it's triggering the debugger. It calls then a get entity set. See, if you pass key fields, it will call in a get entity method. If you pass get entity set, it will pass in a it will call in a get entity method and F5, and you can see the data now, and it is in a multiple records. You can see DMBTR. See, guys, the it is fetching the details from the system, guys. Who posted all these, guys? I didn't post these many records. 8100, right? Company code. What is the company code? See, what is the company? Here is the company code here. Okay, it is fetching all. Okay, we do not have any filters. We are not passing any company code here. It is fetching all the open items, and now execute, and now it is added. DMBTR is added. But guys, my requirement is I don't want all these guys. I need to filter where bookr is equal to some value. I need to send the filters. Okay, my selections, my own parameters, I need to select it, not the key. It's not a key, but whenever you call in a get entity set, it gives all the records, but I don't want all the records. I need to pass some where condition, the filters. So if you want to pass the filters, and so we are going to use in a filter concepts, how we can use the filters. Okay, in ODATA filter request, filter request. Okay, how you can filter, the ODATA services, guys. Maybe the same control C and control V, and we use a dollar filter, guys. So we are going to use dollar filter. So here you can see here question mark, and I don't want all this, only entity set. Okay, entity set, question mark, question, what happened? Question mark, where dollar filter, you need to apply in a dollar filter, okay, which is equal to, so I need to mention the values here. BUKRS BUKR. It's not a key, guys. It's a filter. Key is different, filter is different. So whenever you call in a dollar filter, it calls the get entity set method, not the get entity method. If it is in a key, if you pass inside parenthesis, it calls in a get entity method. Whenever you call in a dollar filter, it calls in a get entity set method, Bucharest, which is equal to the, so maybe 8100, guys. 8100. So this is my value. This is my value, and put this in the here, guys, where Bucharest equal to the this. And next question is here, guys. I applied one filter. First filter is okay with question mark. First parameter. If you have any second parameter which you need to pass, we need to use and symbol and a dollar format which is equal to the JSON. So first filter, always the first parameter we use question mark, dollar filter which is equal to the filter value. And here the dollar format is in a second parameter. Whenever you call in a second parameter, we need to use the symbol and symbol and the dollar format equal to the JSON. So this is the thing which you need to call it, guys. Maybe I call this from here and enter and enter, and maybe invalid token detected at position 7, and maybe oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 dollar filter. I think dollar filter is correct, guys. Dollar filter is correct. Huh? So I think what is the problem? Maybe I am passing in a wrong way. It should be EQ, not the equal symbol. It seems I forgot, guys. Maybe I go here, OData, filter, metadata, service document, dollar expand, dollar metadata, and format. Okay, it's not uh, multiple key fields and get item. Okay. See, guys. So dollar filter, and guys, the field name should be in a caps, guys. We should not use in a small letters. Whenever we apply in a filters, we should use in a caps, not the small, guys. That's in a problem. Here you can see, and also you need to use in a equal. Okay, maybe that is the problem, guys. So dollar filter and dollar filter, which is equal to, and you need to use like this. Use BUKRS, and which is equal space I need to give. I think I need to give the space and equal. Okay, this is the thing which we need to write, guys. Okay, maybe I can take this Control C. Close, huh? What after JSON? Oh, not mucky. That's not a problem. So we can do filter, and then we can apply the format JSON. First filter we applied with the filters. Then we applied the JSON format. We can do like that also. Okay, so dollar filter, which is equal to BUKRS, and 20 equal, where is the space? Space is needed, right? Space comes as a symbol equal to 8100 dollar format equal to JSON. Control C, maybe that's the problem. And so maybe we'll do here, guys. See, OCIT dollar filter, which is equal to BUKRS, and dollar format equal to JSON. Okay, or else we'll do like this. We'll put this dollar format equal to JSON first, and final and delete. See, dollar question mark dollar format equal to JSON and dollar filter equal to Bucharest, which is equal to 8100. Guys, maybe we can take this. If it is successfully working, maybe then we can put that statement. Control V and enter. And so invalid token detected position 10. What is the problem, guys? Position 10. I don't know. So maybe you can see JSON dollar filter equal to Bucharest, and space is in a percentage 20 equal percentage 20 symbols 8100. What is the problem? Okay, maybe we need to have after parenthesis. No, this is working. See, this is a working things we put it, guys, here. So after the parenthesis space, we'll take this control C. First of all, this is it working? Dollar format equal to JSON and dollar filter equal to AART, which is equal to the TA. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th position it is giving the problem. I think no space. I don't put any space. Then we'll see, guys. This kind of request I can do in the Google. Okay, where do you check these kind of things, guys? OData org. The best way for the rest. OData org, and maybe we can go to the developers and get started. Basic tutorial, advanced tutorial, postman tutorial, and maybe you can search filter, FILTER filter. So dollar filter reference service, double click, and maybe you can apply a filter people, and no. So dollar filter, did they use querying the data? See, dollar filter. Okay, since I have only the one field, I think I should not use the parenthesis case. See, dollar filter and the first name, which is equal to the Scott. So this you can write it. Maybe the first thing we can do like this. See, if it is in two fields, they are keeping in the parenthesis, and I think that's the problem. And maybe so this is the best thing, guys. So you can take this Control C, and if you want to refer the services, the refer OData arc for the request Control V. So you can see the examples what you want to do it. You need to go to the OData service case, and maybe I can put here so dollar filter and which is equal to the, so I don't put in a parenthesis, okay, which is equal to this, and Bucharest which is equal to this. Maybe here I will use only small BUKRS. Okay, we'll see first, then later we'll do this. Control C. So same service. If you see here, and where is that? See dollar filter. Question of dollar filter, which is equal to first name equal Scott. Maybe we'll do the same kind of thing. Enter. So its case at position 9. Filter Bucharest 20, which is equal to the 29. I don't know. It should be in a OData field. It's not working. Control V, enter, and no. Position 9, where it is giving you a problem is. See, dollar filter equal to this. Why it's not giving? Ninth position. BUKRS. It is there, right? Space is there. Hmm. Why? Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. Dollar filter. Okay. Is the spelling FILTER filter? Dollar format, which is equal to, and a dollar filter Bucharest equal to this, and BUKRS, which is okay. Maybe I will use BUKRS, which is equal this. If I use this parenthesis, we'll try once. Control C. Maybe I put it in a caps ARS. No. It's not caps, guys. We need to use only the small BUKRS ARS, and so that's it. Filter EQ. Control C. Some small space also it gives error. Um, it's working guys now. SAP user WLCOME1234. See, that's not a problem. The problem is, so at least it has been triggered this service. Maybe I go to the here. So go to the get entity set and get entity set, and yeah, its breakpoint is there. I put on a breakpoint, and why it's not triggering is invalid token detected position 10. What is that? Position 10. And maybe we'll see in the logs guys one more time, and error log, and it is triggering maybe at position 9. So position 125, and okay, request data, where we can see the payload data guys. Error context, application log. At position 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 10. Okay, I think I have to take it out. This I need to take it out. This maybe we'll try this. Control C and put this. Control A, Control V, enter. No, now it's 9. And so what's the problem? It's dollar filter. Before I put this, it comes 10. Now it comes as an a this case. Okay, but what exactly the dollar filter? Why it's not working? Why it's coming here? B7. What is the next batch which we have OData? Not the sixth. After 6, do you have OData? No, right? So not the sixth one only. Yeah, it's working actually. So what is the mistake? Dollar count, dollar select, filter. Huh? Filter we don't do in the get entity. We use in the get entity set only. See, something is problem here. You can see we have seen this, guys. Even multiple fields also we have seen actually. uh, Dollar filter equal, you have in a space, huh? Equal and ta, everywhere I put in a space only. If you see, I put the spaces. Okay. I try this now. It's 11. Okay. Maybe no space. No space. Huh? Okay. Now Bucharest, which is equal to this. See, guys. So dollar filter, we put same, right? Same thing. Ideally, it should work, guys. See, BUKRS 20 equal. So is the BUKRS field is correct? First, I think. Let's see. BUKRS, B caps UKRS, and
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
yeah, we have to play with the internal table filter, IT filter select options. So this is the internal table, guys. Whenever you apply a filter, so it will come into the so when we apply filter in the request, the filter values stored in internal table. This is important. Okay, whenever if you want to read in a filter parameters, we need to read the table filter data from the internal table. So IT filter select options, guys. And so here how you can read it, guys. Now tell me the logic. IT filter, this is an internal table, and how you can read this? Read table, internal table into work area with a key Bucharest with property. See here you need to put with the key property equal to Bucharest. See the field is property here with the property equal to Bucharest. That is the logic which you need to do. So definitely you need to do in a debugging, otherwise you will not be getting the logic. Okay, so now F8 and you can see the uh, not this one, guys, that is triggered from there actually. So now you tell me what is the this huh? Okay, then if that is the case, call browser and okay, don't take this, control C and go to the browser, control V, and now so first thing is after slash O caps CI SET set and question mark dollar filter or filter $filter $filter equal to BUKRS, which is small space equal space 8100 and apply one more and dollar format which is equal to JSON. Okay, this is the enter and it is triggering the service, guys. Okay, this is the thing. But whenever you apply a filter, guys, you will get an symbols. See, every space it gives me the percentage 20. After equal percentage 20. So you are going to get an symbols, guys. We should not use these symbols actually. Okay, so I don't take this, but now you can see the values are coming over here. So go to the locals and see IT filter and you can see Bucharest, the filter is applied. Okay, so maybe we'll take it out this and we didn't apply the logic. That's why it's coming still the Bucharest coming with the different values. I didn't write in a code. So maybe, so again, I write in a manually I write the URI, guys. Why? Because so it doesn't work actually. Bucharest and space which is equal to 8100 and dollar format which is equal to JSON dollars which is in a And so this is the actual URI, guys. So don't take the URI after the output. After the output, it gives a different URI with the symbols, guys. So this is the exactly which we need to. What happened? Again, it is giving me the symbols. I don't want the symbols, guys. So take this, Control C, Control V. Yeah, again the symbols. Okay, maybe we can take it out the symbols. Space 8100 equal to space. Okay, this is the URL which we need to Control C. So Control. So this is the URL which we need to. Yeah, Bucharest. So this is the thing which we need to do it, guys. Okay, now we are fine. So to get the request, but I need to implement a logic, guys. If you don't implement the logic, it doesn't give any filter. So if you want to implement that logic, go to the get entity set. Here I will apply a logic. See, I'm going to do a read table. What is the internal table? So which is an IT filter select options. Okay, IT underscore filter select options into. I will use the inline declarations data ls underscore filter and with key property, the property which is equal to the bukrs. So read the internal table with property, guys. And if psi hyphen sub rc which is equal to 0 and end if, and now you can put, see guys, my code should work in two ways. If you find the filter, it should be in a different logic. Else, if there is no filter, and apply without a filter. So I have in two select statements now. See, Control X. Here you need to handle two things. Some request I will get with the filter. Sometimes I don't use any filter. Even your code should work for the two ways. Okay, if size of R equal to 0, that means there is a filter. See, that seems there is a filter. See, if I read with the filter, if the filter is there, it will get the filter, and otherwise it doesn't get the filters, case. Maybe now, guys, in the ls filter, we have if you see this, it is having two fields. One is the property, another one is the select options, guys. Another one is the select options. This contains maybe select options, you know, right? What are the fields which have sign, option, low, and high fields? It works like in a select option field. Okay, so let's take an example of, so how exactly we need to read this is. So I am going to put in a data lt underscore sopton select option, which is equal to ls underscore, okay, filter and hyphen, do the control space, you do the select option space. And this is the select options means always you need to use the symbol. So this is the symbol which you need to use. The total internal table will be moved to the this internal table. Yes, I have the data in internal table with the select options. Maybe I can use, instead of 101 rows, what you need to do, guys. So in BUKRS, see, where BUKRS in LT underscore, here LT underscore S option. Okay, I'm going to use this as an um, internal table which is having a select options, guys. So let's see. Maybe I will take out here also, guys. Normally I have given not one rows. Maybe I will get the total records here. Pretty printer. Total records I'm going to print it. So maybe now you can do the pretty printer, do the syntax check, and Okay, it should be escaped. Why? Because we have used the inline declarations. We need to use escaped, and now ls underscore bsc is already declared, so don't use an uh, inline declarations, because already declared in the previous select statement. We should not declare the two times signature. See, we should not declare the two times. Case. Do the syntax check. New open SQL statement is used. Yes, I will use the uh, you need to use an at the rate petty printer and activate. So now we put on a breakpoint again. Okay, now I will trigger the request. So again I enter. So now you can see. So IT filter. So we have an a one record. Bucharest. This is an internal table and F5, and you can see select options. Only the select option. This is the record. This record I move it to the internal table. LT underscore S option. Now you can see LT underscore S option. We have moved total. We dumped the internal table one into the another, and I select this and see LT underscore BSID. See guys, only 6 record which we have posted in the FB70 we have used. We posted the these open items into this table guys. So FB70 we created, see January bill and February bill, March bill. So we posted some items to this customer, okay, which is an open items the customer. Using FB70 we posted 6 records. The 6 records only it is fetching, and it is filtered with the 8100 and execute. Now you can see only the open items which related to the company code 8100, the customer 800, which are posted guys. That's it. And so this is the applying then a filter guys. Maybe you have one more question. How can I apply a second filter? Maybe I need to get a filter based on my maybe fiscal year. I should get only the data fiscal year, or else maybe I need to apply a filter on the document number guys, BEALNR. So multiple filters how you can apply guys. That's the second thing. Maybe uh, code. So this time we should be careful. So code snippet to read records from filter internal table. So how to read the record, how to write the code. This is very, very important guys. So ODATA, you need to handle, you need to think in multiple ways. Suppose here my case is I don't put on a filter. How you can get it? So maybe if you don't want to put on a filter, maybe take it out the filters. I don't want the filter. See, okay, dollar format which is equal to JSON. Now what is your expectation guys? It should read all the records. Enter. See, now it goes here. Okay, F5. See guys, size sub RC4, there is no filter, and F5 it goes to the else. It will fetch all the records guys. So F8. Now you can see the records. Almost we have 10,000 records, 10,000 open items which we have in the system. And F8 it brings all the 10,000 records. It will keep all the 10,000 records in the browser, but it gives, see it's still loading because 10,000 records are more guys. See, 10,000 records are more, and normally, and see still it is loading guys. So maybe here in this case it's in a 10,000, but in the production you will be having millions of the records. How you will handle the millions of record? Which concept you are going to use it here? Huh? Pagination, very good. So we are going to use the pagination concept guys. The next concept is maybe we'll use multiple filters, then we'll go to the pagination. So I have given an example. So here I need to write on a pagination concept guys. How you can do a pagination concept? So we'll see in the here. And so next concept is pagination, or one more word, streaming. some people may ask streaming, some people may ask the pagination. Okay, the parameters which we will use is a dollar top and dollar and dollar skip. So I need to get in a records chunk by chunk, records by records. Maybe first I will load in the page. Okay, first page I load 50 records, and when I scroll down, and I will load another 50 records. When I scroll down again, I will load another 50 records, guys. Like this, we are going to load a records chunk by chunk to avoid the performance. How you can do that is by using dollar top and dollar skip, guys. Dollar top and dollar skip, these are all the parameters which we will use to get a pagination concept. Maybe before going to that, so I will go to the code, and maybe this is our code to handle the filter. Single filter we have used here, but if it is in a multiple filters, how you can do that? It's in a single filter from uh, to read single filter from filter internal table. Okay, I am giving the code here. You can take the code, guys. Okay, so this is the code which you need to write. Okay, you can take this code from here. Okay, okay, this is the code, guys. Okay, now we apply in a multiple filters. Okay, apply multiple filter parameters in OData. How you can apply multiple filters? See, so here we put this right. Maybe we can apply one more filter. So if you want to apply one more filter, I use bracket, and maybe I can put one more filter comma or and or comma. I think with the same field we need to use and. I think the multiple parameters you can put comma, guys, and BELNR, which is equal to space equal space. The value is maybe I get some value, guys. So the value is maybe so I go to the table, maybe SC 16N and BSID, enter, and company code 8100. We'll see how many records we have. We have almost 10 or 6 records. Maybe I would like to read only the custom this record, guys, where Bell are equal to 17. So that's the record which I need to uh, fetch, guys. And so maybe, oh, okay, Control C. Maybe better, always better to write in the notepad. Control V. Okay, Bucharest equal to 8100. Maybe here we have a space. Belnar equal to this, and the dollar format equal to JSON. Control C. Where is the yeah, 8100 single quote is missing. Huh? Actually, maybe we need to use the parenthesis. We don't know, but we'll try. Enter, enter. Invalid token. I think take out this dollar filter, this, and also this. I have taken the parenthesis out. Control V, enter. No. Do you see space? Bucharest equal to this, then this. I think, uh, okay, and so, and if you use, and maybe I need to use this also. I don't think space will apply. Without space also I will do that. First we'll try without space. Control C. Don't write, huh? If it is success, then only you need to write. No. So, okay, just now we did this here. See, same field I put here. This or this, and this is equal to this. We did this also. Multiple, but normally we use this kind of logic. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Control C, Control V. No, multiple filters. Control C. Huh? I think we'll see multiple filters. How we can apply. So here only one filter, and where is the and? multiple fields. See, dollar filter, which is equal to 8100. It's working, right? Comma, I think it should work. Is comma. Actually, this should work actually. Control C, Control V, enter. 25. 25 means, okay, from here we calculate. Okay, I think dollar filter from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Comma is giving the problem. Maybe, and try it like this. Control C, Control enter. 29. Okay, 29 means uh, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. BELNR. Why it's giving BELNR? Two fields as an A. Dollar filter A equal to 1 or A equal to 2. Oh, that is on same field, but I want on the multiple fields. Okay, filter serial number, which is equal to this, or serial. Okay, on only one field, guys. This is so on the same field which we are doing over here, but I would like to have multiple fields as an A. See, guys, Kunar equal to this and M18 equal to this. See, Kunar equal to this and M80 are equal to this. Correct only, right? We did. See, equal to this and space and space Belnar equal to this. Belnar equal to this and dollar format equal to JSON. Correct only. Okay, we'll take it out the spaces. Two spaces may be causing the problem. I am deleting all the space. Okay, now I will apply the space. After Bucharest, one space, after equal, one space, and here one space and one space. BE LNR equal to one space, this one space. So it should come, guys. Control C. Uh, where is the question mark? Here it is there, right? And dollar format equal to JSON. Only question mark is used only once. That is on the first parameter. Filter is in a first parameter, guys. We don't use in a second time the question mark. Instead of question, you need to put an and symbol. So maybe it should work. Don't write it. Control C. It's working, guys. You are figuring from there. It is working here. Okay. So see, filter options we can get in a two things case. So one is Bucharest, another one is in a GJHR, and it is triggering from there. And maybe I will complete later, but I need to work out this. What you put, Rakesh? Panda? Huh? We'll try this once. Control V, enter. Yeah, that's the problem. I need to write manually. So something is going wrong, guys. So go to the here. And first, I need to go to the to get the link. Maybe call browser. Uh, okay, take this. Control C. Keep it in the browser. Control V. So first question, yeah, entity set OCI set and question mark and dollar filter, and which is equal to BUKRS and space equal value is 8100 space and BELNR, which is, oh sorry, which is equal to the, okay, 14 6 17 in between 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 7 and uh, okay, and dollar format, which is enter. Yes, SAP user welcome 1 2 3 4 and enter. So now it is triggering. Okay, this is triggering, and you can see filter. There are two options, guys. There are two options actually. Okay, so here the problem is I need to read this, I need to read this, both I need to read it, guys. Maybe so don't write here. Maybe what I am going to do is debugging, uh, exit application and debugger, and here instead of else condition here, now I have in a two things case. So this is for my Bucharest actually. So I don't write like this code now. So little bit I will change the code, guys. So else part I take it out. Okay, and also end if also I will take it out. So here I need to apply with the some kind of flag I am going to apply, guys. So if size of RC equal to 0, first read this, and same way I need to read Control C, Control V, and here I will apply with the next field BELNR. So if it is in a BELNR, here it's in a BELNR. Okay, maybe it's in a BELNR, BELNR. This is in a BLNR select options. So here I put an a if any single, okay, control C, is not in shell, if any record, or if this is not in shell, that means if I find any single filter, uh, okay, if I find any single filter and I'm going to apply this not in shell and do this logic, guys. Do this logic. Get what is the select option behavior? I don't want to check all these guys. Can anybody tell? So here the important guys. So I'm writing a lot of L number of lines. I don't want to write actually. So what is the select option behavior? Did you ever observe? Did you internal table, right? Whenever I pass it, if you have the data, it will get it, guys. If doesn't have the data, it doesn't get it. So that is a specialty of a select options. So data at the rate data. Sorry, guys. I should not use. I don't want any conditions. And here I am going to apply the conditions. If it is filter, okay, no problem. BUKRS, which is in LT. Maybe I need to use at the rate LT. What is the error? Oh, okay, yeah. So period. LT do the control space. First option is S option and BELNR in at the rate LT and which is an BELNR option. Yes. See, if there is a filter, it will filter the records. Otherwise, it will get all the records, guys. That's a select option behavior. If it is in a parameters, it will take as in a space. It doesn't return any values. But if it is in a select options, what it will do, if there is any filters, it will do the filter. If there is no filter, it doesn't filter, it will give the records case. So no need to handle that much code. Simply take the values into one Bucharest into one internal table, Belnar into another internal table, pass those as an a. So it works like an a select options, guys. This two internal table works like an a select options. If it is an a select options, I can use in. I put an a in over here, guys. So pretty printer and do the syntax check. Now you can see and has been already declared. So no need to have this. So that's it. Good. This is very important, guys. So second, two fields, two filters. If you have n number of filters also, we do in the same code. Don't write in a multiple code. I missed out the funda of the select options. So see how many filters if you would like to apply, you can apply those many filters, guys. Don't complicate the code. So we'll see the two results now. I apply the two filters. Without filter, we are going to apply it, guys. So now I come here and enter. So it comes here. See now first I will read the Bucharest. So Bucharest comes into the LTS option. So LTS option, you can see Bucharest 8100 and F5. And now Belnar is this is a Belnar internal table for the select option. Belnar comes into the picture and F5. Now you can see it reads only one record, guys. See the Belnar which is equal to the 17 and the company code is 8100 and that's it. Move this and F8. Now you can see only one record it has read from the ODATA or from the database. Now I don't want to apply any filter, guys. Already this we have taken. Did we take this case? Did we take that request? Maybe it's an example, guys. I put this control C and control V, multiple filters. Control V. So this is the formula actually. You need to write it actually. So don't take these links from the Word or PPT. It's not working, guys. You have to write manually, then only it is working. Just you need to put this as an example, then you need to write the you need to prepare the URI. And so now guys, maybe I have applied the filters. Even my logic should work if I don't apply the filters, right? My entity set should work, guys. So same method I am going to use for the different things. See, question mark and dollar format, which is equal to JSON. Even it will trigger the same method, the get entity set method. Shut. Okay, it will give the output. Yeah, see, it is fetching all the records, guys. See, it is fetching all the records. Again, I press enter. It triggers. See, okay, if it is size of RC 0, no. Size of RC 0, no. We do not have any filters. And this too becomes in a space. No records. Even though no problem, guys. So if it is in a select option, it will fetch all the record because I do not have any filters. Don't apply the conditions when it is in a select options. Okay, you can pass the select option and it will automatically system will check. If there is a filter, it will filter the record. If there is no filter, it doesn't filter the records, guys. That's a behavior of a select options. But if it is in a parameters, guys, it doesn't work actually. It doesn't work. The parameters will not work, guys. Execute. Now you can see it fetches all the records from the database. So that's a multiple record filtering and a code snippet. So code method get entries set method code. Okay, take this code. So multiple filters apply. Control C. Control V. So this is the code for the multiple filters. And tomorrow we'll see the pagination. What is dollar top and what is dollar skip, guys. Okay. So maybe tomorrow we'll see dollar top, dollar skip, and select. Uh, and also we see the dollar expand also in the tomorrow's dollar expand, dollar top, dollar skip, and then we'll go with the associations. Okay, a lot of classes are there here. We have associations and navigations and also function import and the post operations and postman. So we use this service from the postman as well, guys. This is a postman. From here we can easily test it. Okay, from here also we can do the testing, guys. So how we can test your OData service from the postman also we are going to see, guys. So very interesting topic, but little worries, but otherwise it's a very interesting concept, guys. So last 10 resumes I have seen, nobody explains the OData properly. Okay, even they don't know how to prepare the URLs and URI and all. Okay, you can easily survive in the market when you go with the OData services, guys. Don't fear. Yes, I have given the business scenario. You need to tell the business scenario. Then later, definitely they comes into the technical. What is OData? What are the services and all? If you answer those things, it's very easy to handle the interviews, case. So that's it for the day. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.